Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Jac T9 is set to redefine the pickup truck segment with its robust design, advanced technology, and practical features tailored to meet the needs of modern drivers. As one of the most anticipated models of the year, this pickup brings a blend of utility and comfort that sets it apart in its class. Designed to cater to both work and lifestyle needs, the T9 offers an exceptional balance of power, efficiency, and style. Here's an in-depth look at what makes this vehicle a standout choice for 2025. The exterior of the Jac T9 boasts a commanding presence, highlighted by its bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and muscular body lines. This design isn't just for show, it reflects the truck's rugged capability. Built to tackle tough terrains, the T9 comes equipped with high ground clearance and durable all-terrain tires. Its imposing stance and practical features, such as a spacious cargo bed and integrated tie-down hooks, make it an excellent companion for heavy-duty tasks. Under the hood, the 2025 Jac T9 doesn't disappoint. It is powered by a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering impressive torque and horsepower to handle any challenge with ease. The truck is equipped with a smooth yet responsive automatic transmission, ensuring optimal performance both on and off the road. For those seeking adventure, the T9 offers a reliable 4x4 drivetrain option, making it capable of conquering rugged landscapes, muddy trails, and steep inclines effortlessly. The interior of the T9 takes comfort and practicality to the next level. With a spacious cabin that can comfortably seat 5 passengers, this pickup ensures a relaxing ride even on long journeys. The seats are upholstered with high-quality materials, and the attention to detail in the cabin design reflects a commitment to luxury. The truck also features a modern infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. This ensures that drivers and passengers stay connected and entertained throughout their trips. Safety is a top priority for the 2025 Jac T9, with advanced features designed to protect both occupants and pedestrians. The truck comes equipped with a suite of driver assistance technologies, including lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety but also make driving the T9 more convenient and stress-free. One of the key highlights of the Jac T9 is its fuel efficiency, which stands out in a segment often criticized for high consumption rates. The diesel engine has been optimized for maximum efficiency, ensuring that drivers get more miles per gallon without compromising on performance. This makes the T9 a practical choice for both urban commutes and long-distance travel. In terms of value, the Jac T9 offers an affordable entry point into the world of high-performance pickup trucks. Its competitive pricing, combined with a generous warranty package, ensures peace of mind for buyers. With its versatile capabilities, modern amenities, and rugged durability, the T9 is poised to become a favorite among truck enthusiasts and professionals alike. The 2025 Jac T9 is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of strength, reliability, and innovation. Whether you need a truck for work, adventure, or daily driving, the T9 delivers on all fronts, making it a standout choice in the competitive pickup truck market.